Hi there, it's Shell, and today we are going to work on day 23 in our book. So on the 23rd, what I did mainly is I was making things to take to my friend's house, to my sister's house for Christmas. So I thought it'd be kind of fun just to keep track of what I kept. So here's day 22 that we just finished. And I meant to put it so it would open on this side out. So 23 is going to kind of come before 22, unless I do it like that. Maybe that will work, but you know, it's just for me, so it's not that big of a deal. Oops. So I forgot to show you guys what I got on the 22nd from my swap partner. So I got these mulberry paper roses, and they are so beautiful. They're by Recollections. And I love these colors. So these are really pretty. And then on day 23, I got these really cool stickers. I may have got these the same day as those, but then on another day I got these. I'm trying to remember everything I got. But aren't these pretty? Just the butterflies. Beautiful. And look at the pretty moons. So that was for the 22nd and the 23rd. And very pretty, very fun. So what we did on the 23rd is we just cooked mainly. I made some cookies and the cheese ball, 4-layer pie, and spicy crackers. So I'm just going to put on here, and I'm just going to put Christmas, see if my pen works, Christmas goodies. That way next year I can either look back and see what I made, or, you know, kind of remind myself what I made, what I took for the different parties. So I made my cheese ball, and I hope some of you guys have tried that. It is so yummy. I made my spicy crackers. I'm going to put yummy because that's what the name of them is on my channel. Yummy Spicy Crackers. And I did give out my recipe a couple of times this past week. 3 4-layer pie, which my sister absolutely loved. And then I also made, which I didn't show you guys, is I made some sugar cookies. And what I did is I just, on the top of them, I was going to do like really fancy and like mix different colors into the icing and decorate them, but it takes forever to do sugar cookies and decorate them. So it took like 2 hours just to make the cookies. So when I did decorated them, I just decided white icing would look just fine on all the cookies. So that's what I did. And everybody loved them just the same. So that was really fun. It's really simple. And I'm just going to pop this in here, but I kind of want to decorate it a little bit. So let me kind of use this. I haven't looked in my stickers, but I was thinking if I had some recipe stickers, that would be kind of cute. In fact, I'm going to run and look, and I'll be right back. Because if I had like a gingerbread man or something, that would be so cute on this. So I'll be right back. Okay, so I did not find the sticker like I wanted. So I'm just going to make a little gingerbread man, because I kind of had my heart set on it. So just something simple. just to kind of symbolize my cookies, you know. So nothing special. I'm just going to kind of draw. And see what happens. So that looks pretty good. Not too bad for just doodling a little bit. And hopefully it's about the right size. I think it will be. So you know how we creators are. If you can't find what you want, then you just make it. So and this will just kind of decorate it up and kind of let me know what's on the back, which, you know, will be like something maybe to do with cookies is what I'm thinking. So when I get older and my memory goes, maybe I'll remember. Okay, I'm just jabbering. You're laughing at me. I know.
Uh-oh.
Well, you know, I kind of have to be a nut. Okay. So I just trim that out. You know, it's nothing special. It's just going to be something fun. I'm going to flip it over that way. My pencil marks, I don't have to erase them. And I ended up getting a little red Posco pen. Just a paint pen. Hopefully it'll work enough for this. I'm not sure it will, but I just wanted to do a little bit of zigzags. What's that called? Rickrack. Kind of decorate them up with red pen, and I just happened to see this in my room. And then we'll do, so just kind of like what we would do with the icing. So I'm just going to put some little white buttons here. And then just a little eyeballs. A little smile. And there. It's not perfect, but he's kind of cute. And then we're just going to glue him down. Okay, and so I'm going to just use some of my art glitter glue just to kind of get him glued down. Just to add a little bit of decoration. I just thought that would be really cute. He's kind of cute, huh? Okay, and I'm going to just pop him in here with my stuff on the back. And there he is. And here I have, looks like 2 pockets. So I know I want a number right here, and I need number 23. So let's go back to my thing here and see if I have a 23 in here somewhere. Okay, and so here's my 23. So I'm going to put that right here. Sorry. There we go. And I think I'm just going to leave the other ones empty. Actually, let me see what she gave me again. Just to see if I have something else that I can kind of decorate here. So maybe just this flower. Just to add just a little something, you know, to kind of finish out the the page. And what about some of this baker's twine just across the top? And that way I don't have to add any more tags or anything if I don't want to, but it's kind of decorated and kind of a complete page. Because really all I did that day was just cook, and it was just a long day of cooking, and it was fun, but it was busy. Okay, so there is day 23 and day 22. So we will, when I see you next, it will be for day 24, which is Christmas Eve, and we spent time with my sister and her partner, so I will have some pictures, and we will be on this page. So thanks for watching. Be sure and give this video a thumbs up. Be sure and hit that subscribe button, and we will see you in the next video. You guys have a wonderful day.